Live from Tijuana, Mexico. Here we are, okay, with
Cindy Perez.
That was good. That was pretty good time, and I pointed. You spoke. Now, this is you are doing an anti-aging,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
ID.
Yes.
Please be careful of those because 3 of those, and they're going to ask for ID.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now, where did you come from?
From New Braunfels, Texas, in between San Antonio and New Braunfels.
Did you drive out?
Yes.
Okay. Oh no, that had to be. I love driving. That would be a blast for me. Okay. How many hours did it take?
About 20.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what I've heard.
But it was not a blast.
Oh man. Books on tape, and then I love it. Now, what'd you come out here for?
My daughter-in-law was coming to have a gastric sleeve surgery, and so I just took advantage to come and see you.
Oh, cool. And did you know about the clinic before?
Yes. Been knowing, I don't know for how many years, but my husband, shout out to my husband, Jose Perez.
Oh yeah, and thank you for the hat. It's bitchin'. It works really good.
He's going to say, what hat?
No.
No, but anyhow, he's just been following you for a long time on YouTube, and he said, while y'all are there, take advantage of, getting an adjustment, the live blood panel, and so on. So
Okay, so you saw the stuff. Was it a cool experience?
very cool.
I know.
Very cool.
Oh my God, the stuff we do is so radically different, and we don't miss anything. If there's another test out there that we could incorporate, we would. Honest to goodness, the live blood cell analysis. Honest to goodness, I think that's got to be in every school. That just so people know that their body, it's an ecosystem.
Yes. I mean, it. Honestly, I've just never seen any testing done like this, and so it did, catch us by surprise of how, I guess, our blood cells are running around inside and what kind, of features they have inside of us.
If you ever get a chance, it's the tiniest drop of blood, and you see an explosion. It's an ecosystem. I think it's the coolest thing ever. This is something we got to teach in schools. Because if people knew that their body has an ecosystem in a drop of blood, I mean, you see immune system cells, blood cells, everything. Now, you got your first adjustment today.
Yes, and I'm back for the second one before I leave tomorrow morning.
Okay. Wait, did you enjoy it?
Yes, I came in with back pain, left with no back pain, and so I just want to take advantage of, getting a second adjustment, see if I can feel a lot more, better, or see what it does to me. But the first adjustment, I felt a lot better, 100%.
The cool thing is seeing what it does, because what we do, we work with the autonomic nervous system. So we're literally changing that fight or flight state into where you can regenerate. And with only 10% of the nerves causing pain fibers or carrying pain fibers, yeah, you're going to feel better immediately. But boy, the physiology is really cool.
Yeah. I think everything, just the experience of coming here, meeting you, first of all, your staff is just so wonderful. Everything,
You don't have to say it just because they're sitting right there.
No, they are. Everybody
really,
here in Tijuana really, was just so.
Okay, you didn't have any trouble coming across the border because everybody talks about how dangerous.
No, we actually walked across the border because, the other people that were with us, they shuttled them, it was in their package. We walked across the border and we didn't have any problems at all. And we've been walking, the streets. We've been in Ubers, and everything seems safe. So it's not like, they say it is.
I'm telling you, Los Angeles, there's most parts of there I wouldn't recommend going in. Not just because show me your papers, okay, but it's like, it's not safe.
Yeah.
Down here, never had an issue.
Yeah, never, not at all, not
Okay,
once.
good. Now, what do you do in taking charge of your health? Because this is not normal on the other side of the border. What started you? Because you're doing nutrient IVs to get the nutrients in the system as quick as possible. You're getting your nervous system taken care of. Why? Why don't you just take drugs like other people?
Well, the reason I'm here, like I said, my husband, he's just been a believer in supplements, holistic medicine, and so that's just what we do. About 6 years ago, my son was diagnosed with cancer, and he chose to do the holistic way of treating it, and no chemo, no radiation, and within 9 weeks he was cancer free, and still to this day is cancer free. So I know it works.
That's cool. Okay, what's your hubby's name?
Jose Perez.
Jose, buddy, I'm so looking forward to meeting you. your wife has done nothing but talk super good about you, and you seem awesome. So I'll meet him eventually.
Yeah.
Okay,
We'll be back.
Now, what would you tell someone? Because so many people are afraid of taking charge of their health. Okay, and you're not. How do you get people out of that drug symptom paradigm?
Well, it's hard in today's world. Trust me, we've been telling friends, family, my own kids, just try to do the natural way. I mean, I think and I know some people might be upset with this, but I just think it's just all like the government is just all like for money or something. I just think that the holistic way is, I've seen it work, not, many times. So that's just the approach that me and my family take. And I would recommend it, do your research first of all. And then
I mean, if you think about this, okay, granted the pharmaceutical companies run the media. They're the main contributors to our government. They're the main contributors to medical education and also to research, pushing a chemically based healthcare system on the human being. And you think giving a chemical that has myriad of side effects, in fact, multiple chemicals to a human being, doesn't equate to health? Please make your own decision on that.
Yeah. Well, do your own research.
50 years from now, this is going to be the dumbest thing in the world. Hi, I'm going to give you a drug that decreases your symptom, but it destroys your joint cartilage.
Yeah.
Welcome to Advil, Motrin, and Aleve. Okay, it's insane. God bless you for doing this. Because, seriously, if you knew, it's hard to take charge of your health. It's so easy to abdicate. So I don't know. I'll let my doctor decide. Okay, shoot me or drug me. No. Take charge of your health.
Yeah.
Okay. This is a warrior. Okay. Now, anything you can tell people to just get them back over here?
Well, for sure we'll be back, and I will bring my husband and a few of my other kids. But yeah, like I said, do your own research, to each their own. This is just the way that we chose, to take control in the holistic, medicine. And I know it's worked for us, and we just will continue down that road. But if you have a chance, come and see Dr. Bergman. You won't be disappointed.
Yeah, baby. Okay, take charge of your health. Okay, honest to goodness, natural way is the best. I think you're right on that. I was going to try chemical solutions, but no, natural is probably the best. You're amazing.
Thank you. Thank you so much.